See, we're going. Oh my God. See.
Let's see.
Is it supposed to do that? Oh, okay.
All right, guys, we're back with another video, Carl's Garage. What's up? And today we are about to try to, we got our neighbor here, Rafael. Shout out to Rafael. Huh? Rafa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. He's our neighbor over there, and so he's about to help us try to pull this frame out. He's got a truck. We tried to do it with the Lexus with this little bitty rope here. This did not work. Not a good idea. But yeah, he's got the whole setup right here. So thank God for the neighbors. Thank God for Miss Ingrid. She helped us out with some rope, but I think this right here is gonna be it. Oh, this is gonna do it. Nah, this ain't going nowhere. He's gonna pull it right out. So we're about to see if it works, guys. But yeah, so cause my biggest issue, I can't get it started cause it doesn't, the frame is pushing up against the computer and I think one of the connectors came loose. So he's about to help us yank this out, pull this out, and then yeah, after that, I should be able to get to the computer. I found a place online that will sell me a new one for like $228. I'm gonna go get in the car, put it in neutral. It's already on.
Do you want me to do wide shot?
Do whatever you want.
Uh-oh. Huh?
Where's the key?
I don't know. He ain't even got the key, YouTube. Come on, Carl's Garage. Okay, so then we got it linked up. Uh-oh. Should I move out the way? Uh-oh. What's happening? I'm scared. Did it move?
Yeah, it moved. Tell me it moved good.
It moved good. I don't know how to say that in Spanish. Está bien. No, you're gonna do it again. All right, guys. He's getting some tools. What box?
There's a box of tools.
¿Quiere que sea un tirón
Yeah.
recio?
Hard? You want him to do it hard? Sí.
Póngale el freno de pata para que no se recorra.
Okay, do you like brake?
El brake, el que le pone así, o el de mano, no sé.
Okay, do you want to put the emergency brake or push the brake so it doesn't roll so
Yep,
fast? Okay, está bien. Gracias. Oh, okay, let me back up.
You stay right there. But you need to tell me if you do it.
I don't know. I'm nervous.
Si quiere, hágase un poquito más para atrás para no vaya a hacer rebotar.
Okay. He's going. Okay, he's gonna go back a little bit and then go forward hard. Okay, poquito más, poquito más, poquito más. Oh my God, it's gonna be crazy. All right, vámonos.
¿Listo?
Sí, we're going. Oh my God. Sí.
Let's see.
Is it supposed to do that? Oh, okay. I don't know. He said, what happened? Did it come off? I don't know what happened.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sí. No.
¿Está bien?
No problem.
¿Está bien? Oh, okay, everything's good. Oh.
Go straight and look.
Oh, I thought he broke it. I was like, oh no.
I can just hammer that out, but now I got access to this. See?
Uh-huh.
Now I can get to this.
Sí, quedó bien. Esto porque al final del día son tornillos.
Oh, está bien? Okay. Oh, okay. I thought we broke it.
No, it's just a little. You probably can go, strap it. It's almost straight.
Sí, esta estrada,
Yeah,
sí.
it's almost straight.
Oh, it is good.
Derecho.
Mm-hmm.
Este que se agarró todo.
Yo también. He said we thought we ripped it off. I thought we did too.
Oh, we thought we ripped that off?
No, you
Oh.
did. It's like we messed
No,
it
that's
up.
fine. I'm not worried about that. I could just strap this on.
All right, we good? He's gonna take it off. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Gracias.
I could try to hammer that out.
Yeah,
Flatten
you-
this down.
Now you got more space.
Yeah, now I got more space to work with. All right, let me see. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. So now I got a better area to work with. Again, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm not looking for perfection at all. I'm just looking to get that major thing out so I can get to that computer so I can get this thing started. Once I can get it started, then it's drivable. Again, I don't have to get rid of it. I can slap the bumper on. The little radiator support and all that other stuff. Pull the, you know, now I can get in there with a hammer and stuff like that and really work it out. So that's what I'll be doing for that frame piece right here. I'll be trying to line this up if I don't get in there and kind of cut it out. So that needs to kind of be straight, but that's not, it needs to look like that side over there. Now that did just bend over there, but that's no big deal. I can use this piece right here to bend this back and then kind of line it up, and then I'm good money.
Nice.
Perfect.
Alrighty.
Gracias.
Gracias, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, Rafa. Necesito algo, $20 or qué?
Appreciate it.
Nada.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Again, a little quick video, but that's how you pull a frame at your house. If you have an accident, don't think that you are dead in the water. Again, I thought that I was dead in the water. I'm like, oh my God, it won't start. You know, the frame damage and all this other stuff. But then I just kind of let my emotions subside, kind of looked at it, and this is exactly what happens, you know, in life. Sometimes you go to do something. I started this and it was perfect timing. Raphael came home. He had the nice strap. He offered, he said, hey, does this work? You know what I mean? Because he knows, because he actually has a Kia Optima that he bought that was crashing. We need to tell him about the
I don't know how to say that in Spanish.
Don't matter. We can still show him. We can still show him all the videos about the Kia Optima and how it works and stuff like that. So I will be giving him a lot of information on that car because he's about to get it fixed. He bought it crashed and he's about to get it fixed for $2,500. But I don't want his engine to fail. You know what I mean? And then he'd be screwed over and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to help him out. That's my way of giving back to him. So anybody out there with a Kia Optima or a Genesis product, you guys know I got the Kia engine handbook that I can help you out if your engine has failed. But as you can see, this thing is basically dang near perfect. I'm gonna just hit it with a hammer, get it as lined up as possible, slap the bumper support on, slap that bumper on, get me a new headlight, take that computer out, because I probably gotta get a new computer, but I'm actually gonna, that's the next thing I'm gonna do is try to mess with this computer. If I can get that computer right and this thing started, I'm golden, because I don't care about how this thing looks. Of course, I'll get a hood or whatever and a headlight. You know, I'll spend like $250, you know what I mean, on some used parts. But then I'm back good to go because this car runs truly amazing. And it's a great little beater car. You know what I mean? We don't want to drive that nice Lexus. It's a great little beater car. So never give up on your projects. Again, this is a project that was very passionate to me. My wife let me work on it. So I do have about 3,500 into it. And it's a great running car. And we only have the Lexus. So it's always good to have two cars. And, you know, it kind of keep me humble. You driving the hoodoo and stuff like that. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Check out the next video where I fix this and we actually start to put this thing together. Be basic. Peace.